Hi traders, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to run through the US dollar Japanese yen EA that I've developed for the MT4 and MT5 trading platforms. You can help yourself to a copy of this EA using the link in the description below. It's completely free to use with no limitations. You can use it on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. For the purpose of this video I'm going to be using the MT4 platform, which is what you can see here. So I'm just going to quickly run through some of the settings to explain how it works, so you know the different ways in which you can implement it within your own trading strategy. So in the EA we have everything from money management to entry and exit criteria. Okay, so for the entry we use the majority of the indicators in the MT4 and MT5 platform you can choose from. You can set them to true or false. So you've got the moving average, for example. If you set that to true, the price must be above the moving average or below the moving average. Okay, so above for a buy, below for a sell. You can trade envelopes as a reversal. So if the price goes above or below the envelope, there'll be a trade in opposite direction, or breakout, which is a trade in the direction of the envelope's breakout. You just set the indicators true or false depending on how you want to use them. Instructions are included that explain all of the different settings as well. So as I said, moving average envelopes, you also got the parabolic SAR, Bollinger Bands, ADX, Ichimoku, standard deviation, CCI, stochastics, RSI, MACD, ATR, momentum, bulls and bears, demarker, force index, OSMA, relative vigor index, Williams percent range, volumes, money flow index. Got Bill Williams, so the alligator, accelerator, oscillator, AC as well. Candlestick patterns you can set to true or false. If you have no pattern set to true, the EA can trade without these candle patterns needing to appear. If you set any of the candlestick patterns to true, okay, that pattern will need to appear for a trade to be placed. So you can basically set all the indicators you want to use to true and the candlestick patterns as well. You have alerts here, so you can have pop-up alerts, email alerts, and SMS alerts. These are all handy if you're not going to chart watch all the time, or you're away from your machine and you just want to get alerted when there's a potential setup. We can even have use trading set to true, in which instance the EA can actually place and manage to trade on your behalf according to the settings that you choose. You can combine alerts with use trading as well. So you have an alert, you know there's been a trade placed, and you can manage it from there. Okay, so days filters, you can choose the days of the week you wish to trade. Hours filter as well. Perhaps you want to trade a particular session. Maybe the New York London overlap if you're looking for liquidity, or perhaps just the close of the New York and then the open of the Asian session if you want some more liquidity on Japanese yen. Close at time, so you can close trades at a specific time. And if you want to perhaps avoid rollover or holding trades overnight, as well as the close on Friday option, which can close your trades before the weekend, helps you avoid any potentially dangerous weekend gaps. Magic number buy, magic number sell, these are order IDs. Prevents the EA from clashing with others you may have written on your account. Maximum spread, maximum slippage helps to prevent trading during unfavorable broker and market conditions. You can limit your open orders, and you can also set the lot size to be used or the risk percent to be used. If you use risk percent, the EA will calculate the lot size according to the risk that you set. You've got your stop loss and take profit options. Hedging you can set to true or false. You can have an equity check as well. So basically this equity check will allow the EA to be terminated if your equity falls below the minimum value or goes above the maximum value. Got your break even and trailing stop options you can set to true or false as well, and you can also close a percentage of the trade each time the trailing gap's reached if you wish. And then the indicators and the candlestick patterns as we discussed. Okay, so you can use this. There's literally an abundant of different combinations you can use. You can obviously optimize as well for different settings. It's just a fully comprehensive EA that includes a ton of indicators and candlestick patterns, so you can customize your own strategy. Okay, I quite like price action trading myself, so you know you have your level of support, your market making higher lows, not over complicating stuff here. Okay, we can see this diamond / wedge formation And it's a triple top breakout as well. Okay, you've got a 3 inside up candlestick pattern here, or 3 white soldiers, lots of bullish price action along with the higher lows, the breakout. You know, we're on for an uptrend. You would have known looking at that here, especially after here. You're not really selling at the low, are you? So once this breakout occurs, we're on. And the EA can help you. You know, you can be getting alerts once you've determined, okay, I'm trading long. Then you can just say, okay, I want a CCI extreme alert. And then you'll get an alert there when the CCI is oversold, there when it's oversold, there when it's oversold, there when it's oversold. And these are all potentially good entries into this uptrend. Obviously, you don't want to buy at the top. It still would have been a decent trade, but the earlier you can get in, the better. And you can see if we just zoom out here, even from the initial breakout to up here, you're looking at the 700 pips. So ample opportunity there. And that's just using the CCI, or you know, once you determine what direction you want to trade in, you can just set the EA to send you alerts, and then check your chart. Just saves you waiting around for a particular signal to appear. Okay, so as I said, you can choose whichever indicators work for you. You've got the MACD as well. And perhaps you want to wait for the MACD to fall below the signal line, which it does here, and then get alerted when it goes back above. Falls below here, have an alert, and then you can just trade based on that. Okay, plenty of different ways to trade. Let's have another look. So what else can we do? Bollinger Band. So you could trade on either a pullback, or just set deviations back to. You could trade on a Bollinger Band's pullback, get an alert here, or a breakout. So that would be nice and early here, here. Multiple opportunities and different ways in which you can use this EA. As I say, completely free to use. You can use it on the US dollar and Japanese yen, along with any other trading instruments, so forex, stocks, commodities, cryptos, etc. Any chart time frame, depending on whether you're scalping, day trading, swing trading. And as I said, free for the MT4 and MT5 platforms. Have a play around. As I said, you can do an optimization as well. Just check the settings here if you want to test different stop loss levels, different take profits, different settings for the indicators. You can run an optimization in the strategy tester, choose your dates, time frame, spread. Keep in mind, if you use current spread on the weekend, the spreads can be higher than normal. Can use open prices only for rough testing. Just make sure you switch to every tick when you're fine tuning, as that will include intra-bar prices, which can make a significant difference when it comes to things such as stop loss, take profit, trailing stop, and break even, so on and so forth. Okay, help yourself to a copy, have a play around, let me know if you find any good settings. Please like and subscribe so I can keep on posting more. Thank you and take care.